sa what, sa pinakamalapit na personality to who you really are, you be that person. You know, I've seen a lot of people that are very aspiring content creators. Pero nagfo-focus sila being someone they're not. Kunyari, ikaw, idol mo si Ninong Rai. Gusto mo yung mga contents niya. To the point na biglang gumawa ka na rin ng pagluluto mo and gumawa ka na rin ng vlogs na ganon. Pero hindi naman talaga ikaw yun. It doesn't mean you enjoy someone's content. You can do it.
Right.
Diba? So, maraming ganun na, nagta-travel sila, ang sarap ng buhay nila, sige magta-travel vlog ako. They tend to forget yung tinatawag natin na, I don't know if you would agree, but they tend to forget yung self-awareness.
Okay.
They're struggling trying to be someone else
That they're not.
when they would kill it if they just be themselves.
Tama.
Diba?
Agree.
Kung malaman lang nila kung sino sila, kung saan sila magaling,
Correct.
and they focus there,